Need to activate your C3pay card but don't have your Emirates ID on hand? Here's what you need to know and the potential steps you can take. First, it's important to understand that in the UAE, an Emirates ID is the primary form of identification. For most financial services, including activating a payment card, it is a mandatory requirement for verification. Your best course of action is to use the official C3pay mobile application. Open the app and log into your account. Navigate to the card activation section. If the app requests your Emirates ID during the process, check if there is an alternative verification option. Some services may allow you to use your passport number or other registered details. If these options are available, you can enter that information to proceed. However, if the system strictly requires an Emirates ID and provides no alternative, you will likely need to wait until you have your physical ID card to complete the activation. A final and crucial reminder: always perform activation through the official C3pay app or website. Never share your card details or personal information with unverified third parties. Once you have the necessary documents, you can complete the process and your card will be ready for use.